Hello all, welcome to Instructor's Maths class. I'm Instructor Meenu and today I'm going to teach you how many marbles. Are you excited for the lesson? I'm also excited to know what is there in this lesson. So mainly this lesson is for children of the age group 3 to 5. So I'll tell you what are we going to learn in this chapter. Okay, are you ready? Yes. So in this chapter, we will understand how to break down more complex numbers into their component parts. Okay. So if I give you a big number, you will be easily able to break down into a simple parts. Okay. So let's get started. Before getting started, let's do a small activity. Okay. So how many mangoes do you see? Write the number in the given spaces. How many mangoes do you see? Are you ready to count? Yes. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, I see 15 mangoes. Do I write 15 like this? No, I write 1 in the tens place and 5 in the ones place, right? That means 5 I write it in ones place, 1 I write it in tens place. That is how I write 15. Right or not? Very good. Now, let's count how many balls do we see. Write the number in the given space. Let's count the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I see 17 balls, right? Again, I write 1 in the tens place and 7 in the ones place. Right or not? Yes, so let's get started with the lesson with the story. My God, this is so cute, right? Pinky the teddy bear had 5 marbles. They were all different colors. Some were swirly marbles, some were polka dot marbles, some were striped marbles, and some were even all the colors of the rainbow marbles. Okay, so she had many different types of marbles. Who had Pinky? Okay, yeah. Now, and what is Pinky going to do with these marbles? Can you tell me? What sound does this marble make when you put all the marbles together in a, in a bag? They make tickly, tickly, tickly sound, right? Because both the marbles will be hitting each other and they'll be making a noise, right? So, Pinky the teddy bear have how many marbles? Pinky the teddy bear had 50 marbles and all were of different colors. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is black. And what is yours? Wonderful. I can hear some pinks, I can hear some blues, I can hear some purples. Well done. All of you likes different colors. So do you like playing games? Even I love to play game, you know that? Yeah. So one digit numbers are the numbers starting from 1 to 9. That means the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are all one digit numbers. And what are two digit numbers? Two digit numbers start from 10 up to 99. See below how to write 12 under ones and tens column. So when you have a number called 12, you write 2 in the ones place and 1 in the tens place. 2 is in the ones place, so we call it as ones column. And 1 is in tens place, so we call it as ones column. Okay, so if I give you any number, I'm giving you the number 11. So in 11, two numbers are 1. So the first one is in ones column and the second one is in tens column. Let's continue the story. One day, Pinky was very sad because the other toys in the playroom were making fun of him. Pinky didn't know the difference between tens and ones. The other toys laughed and laughed at him. Pinky went and sat sadly by himself in the corner of the playroom. After a short while, the wise old owl felt over to speak to Pinky. So the owl came to Pinky to speak. Okay, why did the other toys laugh at Pinky? Because Pinky did not know what is ones and what is tens, right? Not? And that is because those toys were, teasing Pinky. Pinky was very, very sad, right? Yes, very good. Now, write the following numbers in the given place value chart. So we need to write in 20 which belongs to the 10th column, 2, and which belongs to 1's column, 0. Very good. In 31, 3 belongs to the 10th column and 1 belongs to the 1's column. Well done, all of you. Very good, very good. Now, do you want any help? What did the owl ask Pinky? Do you want any help with these tens and ones? The wise owl asked. Pinky was very sad. I can't do maths at all, he said angrily. Don't be silly. Let let me help you, the wise old owl said. Place value headings like tens and ones tell us about the value of a digit in a number. Wise owl continued. That means if you take a number like 12, what is the value of 2 and what is the value of 1? That tells us the place value, or that is why we call it as a place value. What do place value tell us? Place value tell us the value of each digit. Okay, dear? Yeah. So place value is the one which tells us what value each number has. Suppose you take the number 12. What does the number 2 value of number 2 in 12 is? What is the value of 1 in 12 is? Okay. And what is the difference between tens and ones? Okay. Moving on, the wise owl laid out some of the marbles in front of Pinky. How many marbles do we have here? Said the wise owl. Pinky counted the marbles in his head. There are 18 marbles. Look at the marbles. The wise owl instructed. Here we have one tens in the tens column and eight ones in the ones column. Yes, 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 I see that, said Pinky excitedly. So now can you tell me if in 18 there are one tens and eight ones. In 24, how many tens will be there? Exactly. In number 24, you have two tens and four ones. Exactly. Very good, very good. In write the tens and ones in the following. In the 18, how many tens are there? One tens and 18 ones. Very good. In the number 34, very good. Three tens and four ones. Very good. Very good. Now, the owl is telling, can you work the next one out by yourself? Asked the wise owl. He arranged a group of marbles. How many marbles do we have here? Said the wise owl. Pinky counted in his head and said, there are 34 marbles. That means we have three tens. That means in tens column we have three and four ones. That means in ones column we have four, said Pinky happily. So the owl also was happy to hear this, right? So when you see this, I'm going to teach you a trick. Okay. So this small block represents the ones block, and this one, like a standing line, indicates the 10 blocks. And this will have, when will you get tens block? When you arrange 10 ones blocks together, you will get a tens block. So you will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 ones blocks together gives you one tens block. So we represent ones block with a small block and a tens stack with the tens block. Okay, understood? Very good. Now we can show and write 25. That means we have in 25, you have two tens and five ones. That means you should draw two tens columns and five ones boxes. Right? Yes, very good, very good. Well done, Pinky, said the wise owl. He arranged a new group of marbles. How many marbles do we have here? Said the wise owl. Pinky counted the marbles in his head. There were 86 marbles. That means we have 8 tens and 6 ones in one's column, said Pinky proudly. We can represent 16 as 1 tens column and 6 ones column, right or not? Yes, very good. Let's try something new, said the wise owl. He arranged two different piles of marbles, which place value model shows 26. Asked the owl, asked the wise owl, can you help Pinky count up the place value models? Yes. So this is 29, this is 26. Which one is going to be the answer? In 26, we have 2 tens column and 6 ones column, right or not? Very good. Yes. Which model shows 26? We have two. How many? Six. 2 tens column and two. Is it so? No, no, no. We have 2 tens column. We have 2 tens column and 6 ones. Okay. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there is 10. So this is one box. Yes. Yes. And this one is 6 ones, right or not? Yes. So we have 2 tens column and 6 ones. Well done, dears. Well done. Excellent work, Pinky, said Wise Owl. He arranged two different piles of marble which place value model shows 45. That means in 45 you have 4 tens column and 5 ones column. Okay, asked Wise Owl, can you help Pinky count the place value model? Surely we will help, right? Yes, let's start. So in 45 you have how many tens column? 4 tens column. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Yes, this is 4. Exactly. But in ones place, how many do you have? 1, 2, 3. So this is not answer. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the tens column is fine. The 10 boxes is fine. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the correct answer. Well done. Well done, all of you. So which digit is the which digit is in the tens place? Can you tell which digit is in the tens place? In the number 11, you have 1 tens column and 1 ones column. So the tens place is also ones. The ones place is also one. Which digit is in the tens place in the number 23? So in 23, we have 2 tens place and 3 ones place. So the tens place is 2. Well done. Very good. Very good. Wow, Pinky, you have improved so much, said Wise Owl proudly. Thank you for helping me, said Pinky happily. Pinky showed the other toys that he knew what place value were. The other toys no longer laughed at him. They looked at him in awe. Now, Pinky was better at place value than all of them. Now, it is the time for some activities. So now count the apples and write the number. How many apples are there? One, two, three. So there are three in ones place and in tens place we have one. That means 13 apples. Very good. That means how many tens are there? You have 2 tens and how many ones? One, two, three, four, five. 5 ones. Very good. Now in 20, how many tens are there? 2 tens and how many ones? 0 ones. We don't have any ones in the number 20. In the number 45, you have 4 tens and 5 ones, right or not? Yes, very good. Now the next one. In 27, if you have somebody tells you, I have two tens and seven ones, what is my answer? Two tens is two and seven ones is seven. So two and seven makes 27. Very, very good. So three tens and nine makes what? Three tens and nine one makes what? Nine ones make 39. Very good. Now there is one block of 10 and three ones, three small cubes of 1. So that is 13. Very good. Now how many are there? One tens block, two tens block, three tens block. You have three tens block and how many small cubes? One, two, three, four, five. That means 3 and 5 makes 35. Well done, dears. So here it is. Which model represents 16? So here there are two tens. So this cannot represent 16. There is one stable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, this one goes. Right or not? Yes, very good. Now, which number represents 33? 33 means how many tens are there? Three tens. One, two, three. Three tens are there. Now, let's count if there are three ones. Here, one, two, three, four, five, six. Six ones are there. That means this the value of this is equal to 36, not 33. So, this is not possible. This is one, two, three. So, in tens place, it is 3. In ones place, it is one, two, three. So, this is 33. So, this is the right answer. Well done, my dears, well done. Now this represent two tens and how many ones? One, two, three, four, five. Five ones which represents 25. Very good. Now this is how many tens? One, two, three. Three tens and how many ones? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Seven ones, which is equal to 37. Very good. Now, let me ask you something very tricky. I am two digit number. My ones digit is 7. That means in ones place we will write 7. And my tens digit is 2. Who am I? I am the number 27. Very, very good, my intelligent children. A number has 3 in the tens place. That means 3 in the tens place and 0 in the ones place. The number is yes, the wonderful 30. Very good. So where is the digit 7 in 37? Is it in ones place or tens place? So 7 is in ones place. Very good. So where is the digit 3 in 23? The digit 3 is in ones place. Very good. Very good. Well done. Good job. Where is the digit 6 in 16? So 6 is in ones place, right? Yeah. Where is the digit 7 in the number 72? It is in tens place. Very good. Good job. So this is the riddle. Okay, and click the answers in the given 100 starts. I am 14. So where is 14? I am 14. I appear before 23. I appear before 23. I appear up. I appear before 23. I appear after 38. Where is 38? Well, after 38. I appear between 44 and 46. Which number comes between 44 and 46? 45. I am the smallest number in the chart. I am the smallest number in the chart. Yes, we have done it. Well done, my children. Well done. Well done. Thank you for attending the class, dear. Have a nice day. See you all soon. Have a nice day. Meet you soon. Bye bye.